Welcome to my channel, LuxenHomes USA. New York City, where luxury isn't just a lifestyle, it's a statement. Today we're stepping inside 3 extraordinary homes, each priced around $25 million. A European-style palace hidden in Brooklyn, a waterfront penthouse overlooking the Hudson River, and a rare duplex penthouse dominating the Soho skyline. But which one truly delivers the best value for the price? Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, 277th Street is a 14,000 square foot private palace unlike anything else in Brooklyn. The moment you enter, the scale is breathtaking. Above you, a monumental stained glass starburst ceiling casts kaleidoscopic light across marble floors. Twin marble staircases rise symmetrically, wrapped in gold leaf railings. With 24-foot ceilings, the main level feels closer to a European palace than a private home. Even the fireplaces are adorned with lapis lazuli and malachite, stones typically reserved for fine jewelry. This is craftsmanship at a level rarely seen in modern construction. The chef's kitchen blends ornate gilded cabinetry with discreet, top-tier appliances. Luxury here isn't loud. It's meticulously concealed. The private office feels like an old-world royal study. Upstairs, 6 bedrooms each offer private terraces. Downstairs, a private spa rivals 5-star resorts, with a sauna, marble hammam, and hot tub, and even a ballroom crowned by a Sotheby's-appraised Tiffany chandelier. Nearly 6,000 square feet of landscaped outdoor space completes the estate. At this scale in Brooklyn, you're paying for rarity and undeniable artistry. Now, let's trade palace grandeur for waterfront sophistication. Residence 11, AW at the Cortland, brings luxury to the Hudson waterfront. A 29-foot corner great room opens to uninterrupted river views. Floor-to-ceiling glass floods the space with natural light. The private terrace spans over 3,000 square feet, complete with an outdoor kitchen designed for sunset entertaining. The primary suite includes its own fireplace and dual walk-in closets. The building's amenities rival a private members club. Just over 4,000 square feet inside, but with unmatched waterfront exposure. This home isn't about opulence, it's about views and location. And in Soho, the luxury becomes even more exclusive. The duplex penthouse at Spring and Thompson spans the entire top 2 floors. Panoramic midtown skyline views greet you immediately, with over 1,000 square feet of wraparound terrace. A double-sided fireplace anchors the living and dining spaces. The kitchen features Gaggenau appliances and lava stone countertops. A minimalist steel and glass staircase connects both levels. The primary suite commands skyline views from a dramatic corner window. Limestone and terrazzo finishes elevate the spa-inspired bath. With full-service staff and boutique exclusivity, privacy is paramount. This is urban luxury, discreet, refined, and rare. So how do these $25 million homes compare? Brooklyn delivers unmatched scale and old-world artistry. West Chelsea offers waterfront prestige and elite amenities. And Soho provides skyline dominance with boutique exclusivity. If you wanted grandeur, privacy, or pure skyline views, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments, palace, waterfront, or penthouse.